Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to drive Audi A7 only way. Turn the ignition, hold the brake, and select Drive. Use gentle throttle input while feeling the torque and transmission shifts. Keep hands at 9 and 3, monitor blind spots, and observe traffic patterns calmly. Use adaptive cruise when traffic is steady and override gently with throttle for smooth lane changes. Practice in low traffic until confident with responses and systems. In this video, I will show how to drive Audi A7 only way. Locate key controls, steering wheel, drive mode dial, and center display. Adjust settings before moving. Keep the cabin comfortable and set seat memory for consistent ergonomics. Use heads-up display if available to reduce eye movement off the road. Confirm lane assist and parking sensors are active, then begin with gentle acceleration to build familiarity with feedback and handling. In this video, I will show how to drive Audi A7 only way. Quick recommendation: pick up the new Kindle Paperwhite for reading manuals, maps, or entertaining passengers on long drives. Its screen is easy on the eyes and storage holds many guides. If you are finding this video helpful, subscribe and like, and check the description for the Kindle link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to drive Audi A7 only way. Practice smooth throttle control to manage the car's power and keep weight transfer predictable. Approach corners with controlled speed, turn in gently, and accelerate out when the front regains grip for stable exits. Check mirrors and signal early for lane changes, and trust the car's stability systems while staying prepared to take full manual control when needed to ensure safety and confidence.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.